Hello and welcome to yet another video on making money online using ChatGPT. In today's video we will write video scripts. It doesn't matter if you write that for as a gig on Fiverr and making money like that, or selling services somewhere on writing video scripts, or you're doing it for yourself. ChatGPT is excellent in building video scripts, creating viral titles and descriptions, and what you should have on a thumbnail to stick out from the crowd. So let's try to write a video script on this. So write a video script on making money online using Study Pool, which is a place where you can sell or answer homework questions for money, or sell your study documents. You can also say tone funny, and now we will see. And as you can see, it really is writing a funny script for your video. In just few clicks you will get nice little video script that you can use yourself for a small video, or you can sell to someone else. If we go to Fiverr while it is generating the script, as you can see, I was looking for video scripts and I got, well, barely any gig is under 100 euros or $100. So it's pretty lucrative. The competition is a bit big, but if you are doing this for yourself, you can see the opportunities. Okay, so this is like a small script. You can even ask it how long the video will be using the above script, and it will try to explain. So this is around 2 to 3 minutes long. Generate free viral titles for the above video. And now he will generate free potentially viral titles, and as you can see, the possibilities are endless. You can now generate this free, or you can say 20, whatever versions of description for the video. You don't have to say above video, because he understands that you are talking about what happened above. So this is a tool that can help you, and as you can see, you can make money either by creating those videos using these scripts. For example, you can take this script that he created and put it in video artificial intelligence tools like InVideo, and do the faceless automation channel or any other type of channel, and you don't have to do the work yourself. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video.